Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fire Pro Wrestling Returns. This classic wrestling game offers deep mechanics, focusing on precise timing rather than button mashing. You'll learn to control your wrestler, execute powerful strikes, and initiate grapples with finesse. Mastering the timing of your moves is crucial for dominating your opponents and achieving victory in the ring. We'll cover everything from basic movement to advanced techniques, ensuring you're ready to compete. Grappling is the heart of Fire Pro Wrestling Returns. To start, simply press the grapple button when close to your opponent. The key is timing your follow-up move perfectly. A quick tap might result in a weak move, while holding the button for a fraction of a second longer can unleash a devastating powerbomb. Practice is essential to feel the rhythm and execute your desired moves consistently, leading to impressive combos and match control. Beyond grappling, strikes are vital for controlling the pace and damaging your opponent. Light strikes can stun, while heavy strikes inflict more significant wear. Once your opponent is sufficiently weakened, submissions become a powerful tool. Apply a hold and watch their stamina drain, aiming for a tap out. Alternatively, after a big finisher, go for a pin. Remember, timing is still key for successful strikes and effective submission attempts. As you progress, explore advanced strategies like reversals and environmental interactions. Timing a reversal can turn the tide of a match instantly. Use the ropes to break holds, or even climb to the top turnbuckle for high-flying attacks. Don't forget the deep customization options. Adjusting your wrestler's attributes and moveset can dramatically change their performance. Experiment with different styles to find what works best for your unique approach to wrestling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.